Is your document a jumbled mess of text that no one understands? Let's fix that by visually mapping out your ideas with a professional flowchart right inside Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and create a new document, or open the document you wish to add a flowchart to navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on Shapes in the Illustrations group. A drop-down menu will appear here. You'll find a variety of shapes perfect for building your flowchart. Choose your first shape, usually a rectangle or oval, to represent the start or end of your process. Click and drag on the document to create the shape to the size you want. To add text, simply right-click inside the shape and select Add Text. Type your description of the process step within the shape. Now, let's connect the shapes. Go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose a connector line, typically an arrow. Click and drag from the edge of one shape to the edge of another to create the connector. Word automatically snaps the connector to the connection points on the shapes. Repeat these steps, adding shapes, text, and connectors to map out your entire process. Use different shapes to represent different types of steps, like decisions represented by diamonds. You can easily customize the look of your flowchart. Click on a shape or connector, and then use the Shape Format tab to change the fill color, outline color, and line style. To move shapes while keeping the connectors attached, click on the shape and drag it. The connectors will automatically adjust, and there you have it. A clear, concise flowchart created directly in Microsoft Word. Ready to impress? Now go make your documents understandable.